Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today's video is, you can see that mountain behind me there. I will climb that mountain today on my bike, on this bike. It's in my area here, this mountain. When we was young, we used to climb that mountain. So today I will climb with this bike here. I'll try to show you what we can see from there now. Okay, I have an action camera also, so I'll try to show you. So this is the view of this place here, and that's the mountain. So I'll take from there, I'll try to see the way. Trees are grown up now. It's a rainy season, so even the rain is start coming, I think so. And this is the view of this place. So I'll capture something from the mountain. Let's see what we can see. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is the mountain here, and this is the view of this place. It's start raining now, so you won't be able to see properly, I think. I will try to show you something from this area here. Okay, this is the Kurtorim from here, the last one. This is last mountain of our village. And that you see that behind that, it's a Madgaon city from here. Yeah. And that's the Parvat, Chandreshwar Bhutnath there. Yeah. So this is Chandor, my village here. Now it's start raining, guys. Okay, from that place I have started to climb the mountain from that area, and that's my house there in that place. So it's raining, that's why you won't be able to see properly, guys. I am sorry for that. Okay guys, you can see that house there, this house, and beside there, it's over here, it's my house in this tree areas there. After that, so now we have a supply of water from this tank here. This tank gives us the water to drink at our home. So I'll go a little bit further there. So this is our tank. And you can see that white one here. That's our church there. This one. the white one. You must be seen in many videos of mine. The church is here. Okay guys, this is Madgaon city. From here, it's a 10-kilometer away. KPM is over that side. It's almost 12 kilometers away from here. Then the Tilamal is here, and the Sour Dam is here, 10 kilometers away from here. And that's the railway track, this one, here. Okay guys, let's go down now from the way I've come, this way.